Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best automatic plant watering systems available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have moistenland automatic plant watering system. This kit is a system of water pumps, timers, tubes and drippers that deliver the proper amount of water to each plant, which helps you avoid both under and overwatering. It is a compact design for your home potted plant irrigation. This vacation's busy schedules and changing weather conditions can all leave flowers, veggies and shrubs thirsty. In 10 minutes you can install a drip irrigation system for your home potted or hanging plants. The kit offers all accessories you need: 33 feet tubes, 10 watering stakes, multiple T-joints and cross joints, all of them. It featuring an extra large LCD screen with bright easy to read text and dial. It is built in the programmable timer and setting up your watering schedule is simple. Once the timer set, the settings are stored in the device automatically. At number 5 we have B SEPOR plant watering system. This terracotta watering stakes cultivate your garden on the go. Each watering stake 7-inch tall and holds about 100 milliliters of water. But it's designed to recycle an empty bottle which can hold up to 1.5 liter water. Usually it steadily releases 7-10 days for 1 liter water, so you can come home to a healthy, flourishing garden. It comes with their new watering system. Green thumbs aren't the only ones that can grow thriving gardens. Everyone from beginner growers to master gardeners will love this easy way to water plants. You can keep your plants happy and hydrated all year long without spending all your time watering. At number 4 we have sPlant plant watering system. It is combine the pump and watering timer in an automatic watering system to pump water from the container. That's saving 70% water compared to traditional spray and plant irrigation dripper. Once programmed, the settings are stored in internal memory automatically. Also, custom programming and settings will remain in memory even if power is removed. There will be no need to reprogram the timer every time batteries are changed. This intelligent and smart indoor plant irrigation system make you rest assured of carrying your plants on time. You can easily design your own garden map with customized pipe and different connectors. At number 3 we have Kollea plant watering system. It comes with a pump and watering timer equipped in this digital watering system. This efficient resources conserving method helps us to save water. Drop by drop pump the correct amount of water from a container. It is to drip the potted plants more precisely and efficiently than traditional spray and drip heads. This scheduled programming and settings will remain in memory even when power off, no need to reset every time. At number 2 we have mixed sPlant watering system. This micro drip irrigation kit is suitable for an area of 160 square feet. You can water all your plants at one time with 200 FT plus 26 FT irrigation tubing. This micro drip irrigation kit comes with 3 types of sprayer. Every water spray nozzle could be adjusted individually according to its setting and needs. This plant strip irrigation system can save up to 70% in water savings. This precision watering system delivers just the right amount of water slowly and precisely right where your plant needs it at the root zone. At number 1 we have Elecrow plant watering system. The soil moisture sensor consists of 2 leads that are used to measure volume of water content in soil. These leads allow the current to pass through the soil and in return calculate the resistance value to measure the moisture level. If there is more water in soil, then soil will conduct more electricity. In the same manner, if there is less water in soil, then soil will conduct less electricity. Which means high resistance value along with low level of moisture. The Elecrow Arduino plant watering kit includes a pump, soil moisture sensors, water switch to redirect the water to up to 4 plants. Also in pipes for the water to go through. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best automatic plant watering systems for your need.